Can you tell me a little bit more about how this system works?
The system works because the mosquitoes are highly attracted to red and black colors. They're also attracted to high humidity conditions, so the trap is designed with ridges so that there's little airflow going through it and it maintains a high humidity. We also have a packet of organic matter inside the trap that provides an odor of stagnant water, and mosquitoes go to stagnant water to lay their eggs, so that is also highly attractive to female mosquitoes. The larvae hatch out of their eggs, and then they're affected by the larvicide, and they can't develop into adults for at least 3 months.
Now, traditional mosquito control devices either attract or repel mosquitoes with an electrified light source. What's different about this system compared to those?
The mosquito larva trap does not require any electricity. As a matter of fact, it only requires you to add a chip into the trap, add water, and then make sure that there's water in it continuously.
Tell me a little bit more about how this trap is activated, and also how regularly does it require maintenance?
Yeah, the trap is activated just by adding water and inserting a chip into it. Once that chip is in there, it will remain active for at least 3 months, controlling mosquitoes and preventing their offspring from turning into biting adults. The only thing that has to be done in order to maintain activity in the trap is to make sure there is water in there.
Dr. Koheler, would you mind giving us a demonstration on just how these chips work?
You just have to insert a chip into the overflow spout of the trap and then add water.